You're going to cough a little bit more? Okay. So it sounds like a gagging cough. She's not spitting up anything. I've moved the dog back so she can't get on that. Do a little bit more cough for us, honey, so we can hear that. Are we done with the coughing? Oh. She coughs probably 6 to 8 times, kind of shakes it off, coughs again. I thought at first it might just be transitional, like when she's first going out into cold air or something, but this was from the time she got up from taking a nap, went downstairs, went outside, came back upstairs, still coughing and itching, scratching a lot. You want to cough anymore for us, Maggie? Never mind the mess. She brought up the little towel. She's kind of mucked up the. There's a little bit more cough for us. I know, sweetie. Yeah. I know. We should feel a lot better, shouldn't we? Her eyes were very rheumy, bleary a couple of days ago, much more so even yesterday than they are today. She had been storing up her poop. Of course, you know, many foster dogs don't. It takes a while for them to start peeing and pooping. So it was probably about 50 hours until she did a really nice poop yesterday and again this morning. So she's feeling a lot better, I think, but the cough is actually getting worse.